Hi guys, how you doing? Here Carlos Valenzuela from Digital Chaos, your Chilean affiliate. Welcome to my review of LeadStorm. In this review, I'm going to be showing you what LeadStorm all about, how does it work, and also I have put together some great bonuses for you. Well, in a nutshell, LeadStorm is a cloud-based software that will allow you to show different pop-ups windows in your web page or in your funnel page, okay, by installing a pixel on the header of your web or funnels page, okay? I'm sure you have seen in many places like Amazon, Walmart, or Booking.com where you have different pop-ups like this guy already booked this house, this guy already bought this product, and things like that. Well, all these different pop-ups you're going to be able to create with LeadStorm, okay? Most of them are going to be powered by Ninja FOMO and by ProofSource. Let me show you something. This is ProofSource page, okay? As you can see here, we have a pop-up. This type of pop-up you're gonna get. You see, it says powered by ProofSource. The same inside LeadStorm. You're gonna get some powered by ProofSource and some powered by Ninja FOMO. What's the difference? That ProofSource starts from $19 a month, the cheapest plan, okay? And with LeadStorm, you're gonna pay only $12.45 one-time payment, and you will access the same things. As you can see, ProofSource has very good reviews from Capterra, Trustpilot, Shopify, and WordPress. Just to let you know a few things it can do, this little video here will show you a couple of things. But don't worry, I'm just gonna play you 20 seconds of the video for you to make an idea, okay?
Have you ever been more excited to try a new restaurant because you see it's busy and popular? Ever booked a hotel in Booking.com because it was hot selling and you didn't want to miss? That's called social proof. ProofSource is a social proof marketing platform that highlights your proudest moments like signups, purchases, and reviews as they happen, turning your website into a busy and interesting place that compels buyer action just like Booking.com does.
Well, that's basically what LeadStorm's gonna do for us. Use the same pop-ups and plus FOMO pop-ups, okay? Well, if you go here to FOMO sales page, you will see FOMO Basic costs $24.45 and FOMO Unlimited $27.45 as one-time payment. So with LeadStorm, you're gonna get for $12.45 FOMO Unlimited plus the $19 per month that cost ProofSource. So it's a very good deal. Well, this is how LeadStorm sales page looks like, okay? And if I scroll down below, you will see a couple of examples here of the pop-ups you can have. Plus, like I said, these are the companies that use the exact pop-ups as we're going to be having access through LeadStorm, like Microsoft, Delta, Booking.com, Walmart, Amazon, and Shopify, like I told you before. So if this is something you're interested in, please stick with me as I'm going to go a little bit more into detail. I'm going to show you the prices and upsells and my bonuses and also a live demo, okay? Remember that down below in my description, as always, I put you a link to my bonus page. So if you want to grab LeadStorm and all my bonuses, you have to go through that link, okay? I will also put the same link down below on a fixed comment. Also, like always, guys, if you don't want to see this whole video, you can go down below in my description again and check for the timeline where you're going to be able to skip any part of the video and go straight to the part of the video that you want to go, okay? So with this said, I just want to jump into my bonus page and show you what do I have for you today, okay? All right, so this is like my bonus page looks like. Like always, guys, you will find my name here. Also my logo here, Digital Chaos, and also a WhatsApp bubble that if you want to get in touch with me, you can write me a direct message here by WhatsApp and I'll answer you immediately, okay? So if we scroll down below, here are my first bonuses that I include you with your purchase of LeadStorm. The first one is access to Traffic Babylon. This is only available, guys, for the first 24 hours only, okay? Maybe I will leave it for a little bit longer, but make sure you take action now. Well, this is a tremendous guide made out of 11 PDF, all related to traffic generation, like PPC, paid ads, social media, all to help you boost your traffic with LeadStorm. Now, my bonus number 2 is access to Instant Traffic Jacker. Well, this is a newly and updated super system that generates on a daily basis instant affiliate commissions, pretty much on autopilot. It is a step-by-step guide that you have to follow and you'll be able to generate at least $50 to $100 per day on autopilot. Okay, so then my bonus number 3 is called Traffic Strategies for your YouTube channel. In this 7-part video series, you will learn how to drive traffic to your YouTube channel with proven yet underutilized methods. Okay, with my bonus number 4, you're gonna get Track Biz Success. In this course, you will learn how using tools and data can help your business become more successful. And finally, my bonus number 5 as always, is access to all vendor bonuses. But I want to mention that the bonuses you're going to get here are extra bonuses. I call them vendor bonuses because the vendor provide them to me. But the ones you're going to get with LeadStorm are these ones here. Bonus number 1, cheap Facebook ad traffic. Bonus number 2, dominate Bing ads. Bonus number 3, high converting solo ads traffic. Bonus number 4, cheap Google ads traffic. And bonus number 5, master Instagram traffic. This is on the sales page of the vendor. Mine is access to a bonus vault page where you're going to be able to download 8 more bonuses. So in total, you're going to get 8 plus this 5, 13 plus the other 4, 17 bonuses if you buy via my link. Alright guys, so as you can see, these are all tremendous bonuses. So if you don't want to miss them, go now below in my description or to my fixed comment and click on that link that is going to drive you to my bonus page, and from there you can access the sales page, okay? Now I want to show you the prices of upsells for LeadStorm. Alright, so if we scroll up in my page here, we're going to reach this part where we have access to see the funnel and the prices. I will show you very quick right now what it's all about. The front end costs just $12.45 guys until the 17th of March. From March 18th and on, it will cost $27.45. So I recommend you to take action now if you don't want to miss this special price until the 18th of March. And with the front end, you will access the powerful LeadStorm software with 11 profit generating pop-ups. Then we have the one-time offer number 1, which is called LeadStorm Unlimited, and this one costs $17.45. Alright guys, I just want to mention that with this product, I strongly recommend you get the front end, if you get it for this price, plus the Auto 1, Auto 2, and you're all set. You have a very powerful machine. The other ones, of course, you can get them if you want, but my recommendation, as I'm honest to you, as always, if you get these 3, you're going to get everything you need, okay? Well, with the LeadStorm Unlimited, which costs only $17.45, you will have access to LeadStorm Unlimited that comes with unlimited and unrestricted functionalities. No limits on website installs and the number of pop-ups, okay? So you can install this in many websites, not just one like I'm going to show you in my demo, okay? Then the auto number 2 is LeadStorm FOMO for just $27.45, okay? And this is very powerful because with this one, you will get access to the FOMO social proof functionality. You will be able to add all FOMO modules functions that increases sales and conversions by up to 300%. Remember I showed you the proof source pop-ups? Well, with this one, you're going to get also access to the FOMO pop-ups, okay? Then we go to the OTO number 3, which is the LeadStorm Unlimited Traffic for $67.45. With this one, you will get to put your pixel on their vendor sales page, okay? So their traffic is now yours for the taking, okay? The OTO number 4 is the LeadStorm Reseller Rights for $97.45. And with this one, you're going to be able to keep 100% of the profits when you resell LeadStorms to your friends, family, and your email list or social media audience. If you buy the resale rights, you will bump up to 100% commission throughout the entire sales funnel. And finally, the OTO number 5 is the LeadStorm Agency Rights at $199.45, okay? With this one, you're going to be able to start your 4 or 5-figure agency installing LeadStorm Social Proof and lead capture notification on your client sites. But the support will always be handled by the LeadStorm team, so you don't have to worry about support. Support is a big headache sometimes. Alright, some key benefits of LeadStorm is that it's a one-click install, easy to generate traffic and sales, no tech skills required, set up in 2 minutes, perfect for beginners, and start earning within minutes. Alright guys, just to remind you, if you click on any of these red buttons, you're going to be driven to the sales page, and from there you can access LeadStorm and all my bonuses. My bonuses are going to be instant delivery. This means they will be delivered automatically next to your purchase files on Warrior Plus, okay? Just to remind you also, this is all covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee, okay? Alright guys, and with this said, I just want to jump into the demo, okay? I'm going to show you my dashboard, how I installed my page, but I rather than to pass you into their vendor's demo because it is way much better explained as I could do for this product, okay? I would do it too long because there are many different pop-ups that I would like to show you, and also the installation and all the process. He explained it in a very good way, okay? So first I'm going to show you my dashboard and then I'm going to pass you on to his demo. Alright guys, so when you purchase the product, the first page you're going to arrive is this one. What I recommend you is to watch this little video, okay? Here you're going to be able to download your bonuses that I showed you before on the sales page. And depending which product you buy, you click on any of these links on here, okay? Okay, but if you didn't buy any of these OTOs and you instead just bought the front end, then you need to click on this here and then this blue button here that's going to redirect you to a Google document that looks like this one. And if you scroll down, you're gonna find here your redemption code to install it. Then you're gonna be redirected here to this page where you need to activate it, okay? First, it's gonna look for everybody like a free plan until you put your activation code within this plan page here, and you will also have to install the pixel on your webpage like I did here. You see Carlos Digital Chaos, my webpage, my other webpage, which is Cosmo Salud, and my status is on. But like I said, this is much better explained on the original demo, which I'm showing you right now.
Hi there, welcome to this brief demo of LeadStorm in which you're going to see just how easy it is to install LeadStorm on any website, web domain, funnel builder or e-commerce store that you may have. It only takes 2 minutes and it's super easy to do. Now, once you've purchased LeadStorm and accessed it, this is the very first screen you'll be taken to. Now, when you arrive in LeadStorm for the first time, you're going to see it will say free trial here. Everyone sees that. Once you've purchased LeadStorm, you'll be given a document, a Google Doc, which contains an upgrade code, whether you've got Basic, LeadStorm Unlimited, or LeadStorm FOMO. And to enter in that upgrade so that you can get the right version of LeadStorm for you, you go up here, you go to Plan, and then you come down to this section here where it says Redeem, and you enter in your redemption code. That's the very first thing you must do to get access to the correct version of LeadStorm for you. Once you've done that, you'd come back to this page where you can actually get started with your very first LeadStorm campaign. To do so is very simple. The very first thing you should do is press Create Campaign, where you're going to enter in the details of the website you're going to work on. You're going to enter the website's domain, making sure you put in the HTTP and the www, the full domain, and you can even include subdomains so that LeadStorm is active on the subdomains of any website that you or funnel that you enter in here. You press Create, and the next thing that's going to happen is the special LeadStorm code. A single line of code is going to pop up. It will tell you install this pixel, and you're going to do that whether you're using Shopify, WordPress, ClickFunnels, Kartra, whatever website or funnel builder you're using. You're going to copy and paste that pixel into that website. Now here you can see I have a ClickFunnels landing page here for one of my own products. We're going to add LeadStorm to this landing page. We're actually going to create a LeadStorm pop-up to incentivize any further visitors who come to this web page to actually make a purchase, number one, and to collect their email details. So to do so, we go into the back end of this ClickFunnels page. Now, of course, I'm using ClickFunnels here in this example, where you go to Settings, you go to the tracking code section, you enter it in, and you press Save. It'll be slightly different if you're using WordPress, if you're using Builderall or Kartra or Wix or whatever you use, but the principle is still the same. Enter that pixel into the header section of your site. Once you've done that, you're going to come back to this campaign dashboard and actually click on the name of the campaign you've just created. You'll come through to the campaign notification section where there's a purple button that says Create Notification. And here is where the magic happens. As you can see, here are all of the various LeadStorm notifications. You can see them popping up here. You can see a collector bar where you can collect people's email addresses. You can see a button bar. You can see a modal collector, sign up. You can see, a discount offer bar where you can collect people's emails. You can see a call to action where there's a download. If you click that, you have to hand over your email details. There's text feedback. Again, you leave your email details. There are engagement links. There's even video where you can sign up. You can put a video in here and then people have to sign up and give you their email details. There's of course the standard email collector. You can use coupons, which people have to get the coupon, they have to sign up. Cookie notifications, score feedbacks, request collectors where people can give you their phone numbers, and even a countdown collector built, for example, if you have a webinar or something. So all you can see here, these are all different types of notifications that you can fire up, which will incentivize someone to give you their email address and and their phone number if necessary, and also make a purchase if needs be. Now let's see just how easy it is to edit any one of these particular examples here. So we're going to choose collector bar in this example. Commission, ignition, collector bar. Good. Now, as you can see here, we've come into the collector bar editing dashboard where you can change actually what's in here. Give me your email or I'll get you. Now that's obviously a very scary message. We wouldn't actually really do that, but I just wanted to show you just how easy it is to edit the text here, edit the text in there. You can use certain triggers where you decide how quickly these pop-ups turn up on your page, whether it's immediately or if it's after 20 seconds. You know, there's all sorts of editing functions here. You can change the display, where it comes in, whether you want your pop-ups to turn up on the left or the right or the center. You can customize it, all the colors, you can add pictures. Basically, it's just a very customizable pop-up, and this goes for all of the LeadStorm notifications. For now, I'm just going to press save and let's see what happens now. Update. After you press update, the very final thing you need to do is actually activate and change the status of the new notification that you've created. Now let's go back to the original site where I'd installed LeadStorm and see what happens. Refresh. So as you can see here, the LeadStorm notification has appeared right at the top of the page, ready to collect the email addresses of anyone who comes here. So it's really that quick and simple. Now I'm not going to go through all of the different notification types that are available here. You can see in front of you exactly what you can do, and you should be trying and testing these out as you see fit for your own individual contexts. Don't forget, when you first arrive in LeadStorm, you need to go to Plan, and you need to use the redemption code, which is in the Google Doc provided for either LeadStorm Basic, LeadStorm Unlimited, or LeadStorm FOMO, and put the redemption code in here. Otherwise, you'll be stuck on the free trial version.
Alright guys, I hope you liked it. I didn't want to make this too long, although it's already a little bit long, but there's no way to make it shorter. Therefore, I didn't want to make the demo by myself, okay? So remember, if you want to grab LeadStorm, you need to go down to my description or to my fixed comment and click on that link that is going to drive you to my bonus page. And from there, you will be able to access the sales page. If you don't do it this way, you won't be able to access all my free bonuses, okay? Alright guys, that's all. Thanks for staying all the way to the end with me. I wish you all a great weekend. Stay cool, stay safe, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.